Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you people actually what is note making. Most of the students, teens always think of what actually is note making and how to make notes of any summary provided so note making is also a kind of long or short mark questions in most of the competitive exams as well. So what and how to make note out of a summary? Is summary so and so? For example, some of the summary related to a novel or any kind of thing is provided to you guys. Then how not to panic in that situation and make easily the notes out of it? So note making, it's not a big deal guys. Don't panic. First hear or listen carefully whatever I'm saying now in my video. Note making is defined otherwise as a precise form of short definition or a short theme of the complete summary so far summarized as given in the textual. So when you're making notes, what actual points needed to be remembered at that point of time? Point number one is that before writing a title, most of you guys must have an idea of your own that what might be the first point. Obviously the title writing. No guys, you are wrong. Before thinking of what to decide it as a title, we must note out the points or the intro part in the short form. Second, sub intro or subtopic points which are captured from the summary. Third is that what opinions you have of your own. Write as objectives. It can be the third and fourth and fifth so on points. When you come to the conclusion, don't ever rush. What you have written as objectives, the main intro and the sub intro, those points you need to have a look once again as a revision point so that you can have an idea that what conclusion you have concluded at the last to arrive at the end. So that makes the conclusion. So after writing all these points, what kind of title you are going to give to the note you have made or the summary from which you have made such notes. Some summary, for example, in exams, it do happen like this that some of the summaries are enlisted in a piece of paper or question papers you can say, and mostly students do panic before after receiving the question papers like the summary is enlisted and it is written that please read the summary carefully and make notes out of it, and note making consists of so and so marks in competitive exams. This is the question mostly arisen in first two papers of the questions. So when such type of summary is provided to you, so don't ever panic. So read, not required to read it thoroughly. Just take a look at it. That first read the intro of the summary and also the conclusion of the summary, and likely go through the objective points which is given in the mid pages. So after once you are getting the intro and conclusion done thoroughly with the overlook of objectives, you will get a rough idea of what to make and what not. So out of it, some sort of idea you will surely arrive at it. Do not ever panic. Write the intro part as the point number one, which the intro part to one to single to double sentences. Limit it to short form of sentences. Don't increase and enlarge much and more. It will make your content or note making boring. So to make it more precise and interesting and capturable to the correctioner, you have to write in such a way that it will be listed as a short form of note. the point number 1. This sub point which you want to write from the introduction only. The objectives, like what you have understood, what is the theme, what points you have clicked once you have gone through the summary for the first attempt, or what are the critical or complicated points or words that are present in the summary so far and listed. So keep that points in mind. You need not have to say no person is perfect, as I'm saying in every video of mine. So there are such kind of words which you will come across surely in any kind of exams while reading many summaries which are or unseen comprehensions, such that it is impossible to know meanings of each and every word provided to you, or each and every stuff provided to you inserted in question papers. So the thing is that whatever complicated words you come across, some obviously you might be knowing out of the reading the sentence, you will get the meaning of some, directly will get the meaning of some words as you see it. Some words, even after reading thoroughly and thoroughly, you will get tired of reading, but you won't get it. So don't panic. Leave the word to that level only. Keep the question to last and solve it very patiently. And also, you will also find certain kinds of antonyms, synonyms, the rhythmic words, and also the words which are complicated to be solved, the words which cannot be tackleable by all the writers who are writing the exam. Don't panic out of it. The knowledge which you have acquired from this summary, what intro you have taken to your mind, what kind of introduction else left to be explained more, what kind of conclusions you can conclude if someone asks you that what you have understood from that sort of summary, is all that kind of points you need to enlist in the objectives. So this will make you or make your writing more precise and interesting and attractive too. So in this manner you can summarize in a bestest way the way of note making. So never panic guys. Note making, no doubt it comes as 5 to 10 mark questions in most of the competitive exams. So read the summary, no doubt. Read once, have a glimpse of the summary at least once. You will get through complicated and simple words out of it. Okay, out of the complicated words, the words which you can know better and well, define it well. The words which you are very much confused, leave it at bottom. After reading once, at least each and every learner, basic learners or the beginners, will surely arrive at some point of conclusion. So important thing is that point number 1 intro, point number 2 sub intro, point number 3 4 5 objectives what you have got, and the point number last concludes the conclusion. So what you have understood from it, what theme you got from it, and what else should be done to improvise that situation if any situation is illustrated in the summary given to you or provided to you. So the note making goes on like this. You did not have to panic. You just have to go through and through while and while, taking a short glimpse of entire summary and get a rough idea of it, map and graph it in your mind. Then after graphing it in mind, once you get a rough and basic beginner idea, rush into making notes. So at least give 5 to 6 or 7 points of celestial points which don't match one to one, and go one by one with different form of ideas, versions and meanings which will define the note making in a very precise form. And that is what for today's video. Thank you so much. And if you have any comments, do comments in the comment section below. And also I hope you have liked my video. If not, please also do dislike, and also so that I can know the comments which you are providing, what you haven't liked or what you have liked from my video. So, and also I forgot to say you one thing, that please subscribe my channel. Your subscription matters a lot and lot. How much you cannot understand, but it means a lot to me. So I Hope you have understood at least a little or a bit from my video. So, hope you will surely subscribe to my channel. And that's it for today. Thank you, friends.